If your remote control LED is blinking, it's usually a dead giveaway that the battery is running low and needs changing as soon as possible. Okay, so first, try swapping out the old batteries with fresh ones, like alkaline batteries that actually last longer. Make sure you put them in the right way, positive to positive and all that jazz, because flipping them can mess up the connection. If you're using rechargeable batteries, charge them fully before popping them back in. Sometimes, cleaning the battery contacts with a little rubbing alcohol on a cotton swab helps if the remote is acting weird despite new batteries. Also, don't leave the remote sitting on hot surfaces or in direct sunlight. Heat can drain batteries faster. Keep an eye on the blinking pattern. Some remotes blink a specific number of times to signal battery health or issues. If the LED keeps blinking after changing batteries, it might be time to check if the remote itself is faulty or if there's a problem with your device's receiver. Lastly, always have a spare set of batteries handy to avoid that annoying blinking situation when you need your remote the most. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with low battery LED blinking on remotes is ignoring it until the remote stops working entirely, which just makes things way more frustrating. Another common issue is putting in old or mixed battery types, which can cause uneven power flow and keep the LED blinking constantly. The third problem is not cleaning battery contacts regularly. Dirt and corrosion can block power and mess with your remote's signals. To fix these, replace batteries as soon as you see blinking. Always use fresh and matching batteries, and clean contacts gently every few months. These simple steps keep your remote chill and ready to roll. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle and stress. It also helps contractors connect with new clients who actually need their services, making it a win-win for everyone involved.